Hello everyone. Today we're going to work on pairing Google Classroom and Rethink Ed. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to log on to our dashboard, and then we're going to open our Google Classroom. Next, we're going to go down to the lesson library, and we're going to select the lesson that we'd like to teach. Then once we find the lesson that we'd like to teach, we're going to come over to the action buttons, and we are going to assign the video to the Student Center. And we're going to choose the student that we'd like to have that assigned to. And then we're going to do the same with the quiz. Then we're going to come back up to the action button and to that lesson, and we're going to go to prep. Once we go to prep, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut and paste the title. And then we're going to come down to materials. And we're going to download our materials by coming over to this button and going in and and pasting our name into it, and then hitting, I like to put it on desktop, and hitting save. Once we've done that, then we're going to come back to our Rethink page, onto our lesson, and we're going to come down and we're going to hit View Lesson Plan. Now we're going to come to our Google page, and we're going to go to Classwork, and we're going to create. So the first thing we need to do under create is we need to create a topic. So that means that we have to come back to our lesson, and it is under self-care. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste that, and we're going to add. So here is our topic now. Now we're going to come back up to create, and we're going to create the assignment that's going to go under that topic. So now to get that information, we're going to go in to our lesson plan, and our title of our lesson is I Like Me. And we're going to paste it here. Now we're going to come back and we're going to look over our lesson. And we're going to say we need to have the objective, so we're going to copy and paste that. And then we are going to start with the steps that we want. So the first step that we are going to want to teach is in the lesson plan. It is I Like Me video. Now the next one is the discussion questions. And so we're going to come back and we're going to say number 2. And we're going to go ahead and cut and paste our discussion questions. And we're going to continue like that down our lesson plan, picking and choosing what the student needs and how we can deliver that to them, whatever tools you may possess to do that. So once we have all of that, then we're going to come back and we are going to come down to add. Add allows us to come in and have the link to our Student Center. So we would add our Student Center link to that. So we would come into Rethink. We would come into our student account. And we would just capture, cut and paste that link and hit add link. And then it shows up right here. Then we also want to add the file that we downloaded earlier. So we go to select file, and it was under desktop. And then we're looking for our title. So there is our self-care, I like me, and we're going to upload that. Then you can see this here. The last thing that we're going to do before we post it to student is we're going to make sure that it's assigned under the topic that we created. So self-care. So it is a self-care topic. And then the assignment, I like me, is going to be under that. Once we have our lesson plan completed and we have all of our documents attached, then we can go up and we can assign. The other last thing that you can do is you can go into create and you can actually attach a document, a slide, a drawing, any of those kind of things to help have the student complete these tasks. So after we have selected any of those that we would like, then we can go in and assign. And that will drop it into the student's Google Classroom. So now we can see self-care, I like me, and now they can go into it. Thank you so much, guys.